have it, rebuilt Supercharger. Spins perfect. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a rebuild kit on this M90 Eaton Supercharger that I bought for Naughty, the burnout car. So let's get into it. So here is the nice Supercharger. First off, we'll just pull everything apart and set it aside so we can do the rebuild kit, which is just new bearings and stuff like that. So, mint. So now that we've got the core pulled out and the snout and all that's off, here is the rebuild kit. So we just got some oil, anti-seize, some bearings, bit of stud and bearing formula, some more bearings and seals, and a syringe so we can put the oil in.
Thousand years later.
Here we go.
So I hope I didn't need any of this black stuff that was in this tube because it's all set, but smells like just RTV goop, so I have plenty of that already. There we have it, rebuilt Supercharger. Spins perfect. Just need to get a pulley now for it, and should be sweet. once you supercharge it and you're getting more air in, you're going to need more fuel, won't you? So this is the new fuel system upgrade, so we'll run through what I've bought for Nord. So first off, from TI Performance, these two we have in this one. This right here is a 2-bar map sensor for the AU, so that'll be able to make sure the computer can read how much boost she's running. Second of all, and here, all the way down there, we have an upgraded 3-bar pressure regulator. So that'll make sure I'm getting around 45 psi of fuel, and with that it'll make sure it's reading it properly. Bosch. TI Performance is always good with all their parts. That's where I bought all the cam stuff for Naughty. They always give you a free pen or lollies or something, so definitely recommend TI Performance if you ever need any racing performance gear. So yes, definitely recommend that. Also, we have a Walbro 255 fuel pump. And here we've got the filter, mesh, all the wires, clamps. And then here is the new fuel pump. So that'll slip straight in where the original one is, and all of the power. So here, to cope with the new 50 psi of fuel, we've got 440 Bosch injectors. So 6 of these are going to make this boy run real fat with that blower on it. So I hope these will go on next weekend or so, and she will be running fat. And once we get the supercharger on one day, this thing is going to be by the spec, fully sick. So yeah, that is the fuel system upgrades that I'm going to be doing onto Naughty, and hopefully we can get the supercharger on soon. So guys, that'll wrap up today's video on the supercharger rebuild and the fuel system upgrades for Naughty. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure to smash like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.